Hello friends, today in this session I will tell you how to find out the list of files that are available in a folder. Actually this is required when there are several folders, there are many folders. Those are having those are not having any kind of files, but just a kind of folder is there. I will tell you with the example. For example, this folder is there, and in this folder there is one more folder here, and if you click over here, four folders you will see here, and in four folders you will find another five folders. So if you click here, there is no file here. If you click in this folder, no file here. But if you want to search, sometimes it becomes difficult and time consuming job to find out that which folder has files and which doesn't have. So I will tell you one utility, and that utility is basically a very old utility, DOS utility, that can be run on a command prompt, and that can be utilized very well. So let us learn this. And you need to go to command prompt, and to get a command prompt in Windows 10 you have to type cmd, and you will find command prompt app written like this. Here you need to click over here, and now you need to go to the directory where this folder is located, and at present I am at C user cbin, and you need to go to this download folder to get into the file details. So you need to find where it is located. If you want to know, just so get the idea about where is the location of this folder, you need to click on right side right mouse button over here, and you have to go to properties, and you will find here that this is the location of this folder. So you need to go to this place. Actually we are already at to this one. We need to change the directory to download. So for changing the directory you have to use cd, and then you have to enter the directory where you want to go. So I'll go here. Now I am in this directory, and if you want to see what are the files and folders available in this directory or the folder, you need to type dir and press enter. So you will find what are the files and folders available in this download folder. So here we have to go to upload folder to get the idea about the files available here. So here we have entered uploads, and now we are in the uploads folder. So if you want to see what are the folders and file in uploads, you can see only one folder is available that we have seen just now. But now if you want to see what are the files and folder, all the files and folders and all the files and folders in their subdirectory, so you want to list out this, then you have to type dir then / and then yes, like this you have to write and press enter. So all the folders and the files now listed here. So let's go where we have entered this command, and you will see all kind of folders and files are listed over here. So we have typed here dir /yes, and now it has displayed step by step. First uploads folder, then inside uploads folder there are four folders that we have seen just now, and one by one it will start displaying about the list details of 2016, then 17, then 18, then 19. So in 16 it found these five folders that we have seen also, and now it will start displaying this folder at 05. So in 05 these are the files available, and in rest of the folders there is no file. So it is 0 bytes, 0 bytes, 0 bytes. It means no file. 0 files is also there. Then it went to 09 folder of 2017, and it found these kind of files over here, and rest of the folders are empty. So this is the best and the quickest way of knowing the list of files and the folders available inside a folder, and this utility useful when there are plenty of lot of files, lot of folders are there, and you need to find out one file. So this utility is quite useful. So I think in this session you have learned how to find out the details of the files and folders. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you.